Now we're going to finish it by adding the tusks, eyes, and the tail. Rochi, the 2 tusks we're going to do first. Make a little snake. It shouldn't be too long and it shouldn't be too thin. And add it to on each side of the elephant. After you add it, you just squeeze a little bit the ends to make it a little bit sharper. Yeah, like this with your little fingers. Very good. To the other one. Very good. What I like about this clay is that you can always redo what you did. If you don't like it, it doesn't get hardened. So even after a day, if you see that something didn't come the way you wanted it, you can always change it. Very good. Now you're going to do the eyes. 2 little white balls, like we did in the bear. And on top of them, 2 littler balls of blue. A little far close to each other. No, let's do it again. Make in here, and then put 2 bowls, 2 blue bowls. In the middle. Very cute. Very cute. Excellent, Rochi. You're doing a great job. It's cute. And now make the tail. Make the tail. Tail, add the tail to the elephant, and if you want, if your kids still want to do something with it, they feel that it's not pretty enough, they can always add little nails to it. 3 little balls on each side, on each leg, like this. Take and just add 3 little balls. On the other side too. And here is our mighty elephant.